All right, today's the day, hopefully, if this wind stays down for us, that Project YJ gets a new finish. So we're going to go with Raptor liner. We've perfected a special blend to give it more of an ultra smooth finish while maintaining that durability. So the mix on this is going to be different than the classical Raptor liner applications that you see in 1,000 other videos. So we're not going to give you that secret, but anyway, we'll give you some updates as we go and the progress. So hopefully we can get this thing completed before dark, but if the wind kicks up like it's been, we may have to defer to tomorrow. But anyway, Project YJ, today's the day. Let's set that on the ground right there. Right there's good. All right, so it's getting late in the day. We're gonna start picking up. We've got quite the mess out here, but as you can see, the Raptor liner laid down really nice. That's 3 coats. It's really smooth. It's not rough texture. It's a smooth texture. Don't know how it'll hold up against the branches and scratches and things of that nature, but we'll find out. If it doesn't hold up well, then we'll just tape it and put a rough coat on it, and we won't have to do all the disassembling because it's already got a good base coat. But we're real happy with the color. We've established the factory original color. They call it a metallic champagne. And you can see a little bit of metal flake in the Raptor liner. So yeah, we're happy with it. It looks good. So anyway, we're going to push this up under the rooftop, get this mess cleaned up, and we'll try to do some more reassembling tomorrow. We'll be back. And now an update in Spanish for our friends in Latin America.
Bueno, hoy prácticamente desarmamos todo. Mire, quitamos fenders, quitamos las defensas y pintamos todo. Tim hizo 3 capas de pintura de Raptor liner y quedó muy suave. Y ahora estamos programando para armar todo mañana.
Mañana, sí. Puertas, la ventana, la puerta atrás. Necesitamos pintar el techo adentro y afuera, y cambio fender en el otro lado y los fender liners. Entonces,
y necesitamos pintar esos también.
Es un poco de trabajo, ¿sí?
Llevamos una semana.
Okay.
Una semana.
Say, we'll be back.
Regresaremos.
In English, say, we'll be back.
No.